Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's episode, we are going to make a quick vegan wrap. These are the ingredients that you will need. Some butter, so I can saute my Morningstar vegan sausage strips. Whoops. Some guac. This is a very good kind, does not have no sugar in it. I'm using 2 tablespoons here. This is half a slice of a yellow onion, 6 slices of thinly sliced tomato. I'm going to spice up the chicken with some little bit of Cajun style all-purpose seasoning. At the end, we're going to do a little spritz of lemon juice. This is my wrap that I'm using, sun-dried tomato basil wrap. One wrap is going to make 3 little tortillas, chicken tortillas. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bowl, and I'm just going to cut out little small circles on them. Let's get started with that. Everything's clean on my counter. Let me grab a dish. One tortilla. Alright, so here's my tortilla. I'm going to use my bowl. We're going to do cutouts. You don't have to discard this. What you can do is just cut it up. Any shape or form you want. And then you could just deep fry it. And you got yourself some fresh nachos. Tortilla chips. Very simple to do. I'm going to put that to the side. In my bowl. Let's get started with the chicken. I'm going to put a tablespoon of butter on the pan. And saute these guys. And then put a pinch of Cajun seasoning on it. Alright, so here I have my butter. My tablespoon of butter melting. I toss in some slices of vegan chicken. That should be good. It's about a handful. We're just making small tacos. Some Cajun style all-purpose seasoning. Spiciness to it. That should be good. It smells good. Seasoning. We're going to crank up the heat. Alright, so here's my vegan sausage strips. Put another couple more minutes and this should be done. I added just a pinch of cumin on it. Alright, it's done. We're going to let it cool down a bit. And we are going to assemble our small baby tacos. Alright, so we're going to start off with our tortilla. We're going to grab a spoon. Actually, I'm going to use a butter. Okay. Let's take some guacamole here. This is very good. It actually has garlic in it. Tomatoes in each. Onion. If you do not like raw onions, you can saute them in the pan really quickly. Some mixed lettuce. So once that's all done, we're going to add our vegan chicken. The strips. Chicken strips. Alright, so since I have a little bit of guac still left, I'm just going to take a little bit. Just toss it right up on top. Now we're going to give it a little spritz of lemon juice. That's it. And you got yourself a vegan chicken taco. I'll show you guys. How beautiful it looks. Mmm. Delicious. Mm-hmm. Let me clean my hands. Let me show you guys very close what it looks like. Subscribe at the bottom.